Assalamu alaikum. I'm really sorry you will not learn anything from this video because it is all about exposing a fraud Indian technician. But anyway, I will try to keep it shorter as possible. A few days ago, I posted a video about how to solve an error in Modular Flash Image Tool version 16.1. I don't claim that I own the solution for this issue or any other method posted in my videos, but this guy made me feel so bad because he has no morals at all. As always, I spent several weeks researching and trying to learn something like this, and I spent a few days making it fit into a 5-minute video so you can understand the solution easily without wasting your time. Then the next day, this guy took the content of my 5 minutes video and reposted it on his YouTube channel just to advertise his paid courses. Maybe he thought he could steal my content because he has more subscribers than me on YouTube. Also, he deleted or hid my comment on his video, so I cannot take any action against him. This man Nasir Khan came to me before on Telegram to help him. He was looking for a solution on how to solve HP endpoint security issue. Also asked me if I provide BIOS editing class. As you know, I am just providing paid services on Telegram, so I told him that I can help if he gives me the BIOS files. And no, I don't provide BIOS class. All what I can share is free on my YouTube channel. He sent the files and I checked it. Then I told him I can do it for you, and after that you can send me the payment. He told me he has no issue to pay, but he wants me to give him a paid detailed video. I told him sorry, I don't provide any kind of paid tutorials because I can sell my knowledge to those who can pay and prevent it from those who can. And again, anything I can share is posted on my YouTube channel for free, but if anyone wants me to work on his BIOS, I can still help him at a low cost. He told me to ask him if I need any help in laptop repair except for BIOS editing because I am a master of it, as what he said, and he sent me some images for his paid course, but it includes BIOS editing. I am wondering about how this guy asked me to teach him easy stuff like this, but at the same time he advertises his paid course. Also, here is his partner, DILDAR Laptex. I think this guy is responsible for the paid tools. I deleted our chat several times because he is very annoying. I told him before that I don't provide tutorials on Telegram, but he always asks me to give him some information so he can make his paid tools and sell them to others. As you can see, he wants to know if there is a fixed address for DMI so he can find it automatically. He asked the same question for Dell password with 8FC8 suffix. He wants me to give him Modular Flash Image Tool version 18. He needs a solution for Dell laptop that hang on logo, SSD not detected, and sound is not working. I told him my price and he said that he will send the details, but he didn't as I expected. We didn't finish yet. He asked for HBG11 password, and finally to show him how to find a Dell Surface tag in the BIOS file. I really think twice before talking about this one, DILDAR Laptex, until I discovered that he deleted our chat and sent me this letter after he knew that I said I will expose them. I'm really sorry guys for wasting your time on this, but this fraud technician deserve what I did. Maybe he likes to call him an advanced chip level laptop repairing trainer or whatever is. You can share the video if you want to save others from wasting their money on these people. I hope to see you soon inshallah, but with a useful video. Assalamu alaikum.